Good morning guys, my name's Alex and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. Just going to grab a shower at a friend's house because my water's still frozen and now the drain's frozen as well, so I can't even wash with popcorn bucket. Yes, fresh, clean. Thanks for that, Shane. Right, now to go and get some shopping done. Oh no, we need to clean the van then get some shopping done. So it was below -10 last night, so everyone starts getting more troubles. We've had, our waste is blocked for the sink, so not only do we not have running water now, but we have to kind of wash the dishes and then get a bucket and get the dirty water out the sink and chuck it outside. The door is frozen. Not frozen closed now. No, it won't actually close. Won't close. And Russ's diesel heater's broke. How's it going? So I'm just going to try and fix this door now. Just scrape some ice out of it with the trusty old butter knife. There's winter van life and there's winter van life. Basically the difference is 10 degrees. So as I mentioned yesterday, I'm going to get a GoPro 7. Hopefully, if I can find one at the right price. Just going to check some shops now. See what sort of price they are here, because to be honest, most things here have 𝐬𝐧 tax on them. Same mistake I make all the time, all the shops are closed. It's one thing to really get used to in France and Spain. Shops closed in the middle of the day. I mean, in Spain I kind of got an excuse when it's hot, or at least France would in the summer as well, but you know, it's not hot, is it? You don't need a siesta. Why are they closing all the time? Hey, what's for lunch today, baby? Always eat before going food shopping. Marcella's dry January goes till, what is it, 26th? Last weekend. Last weekend, because Friday's the weekend. Not really. So careful! Dog walk. Un perro camina. Something like that. Bit of a different route today. This is Marcella's favourite route. I prefer the other one because it's got waterfalls and stuff.
Yeah, but it's only like a kilometre straight. So it's short, 10 minutes.
It's not 10 minutes, no, it's not.
15 tops.
It's not 10, it's not. I do. Right, well, yeah, the way I walk, it's 45 minutes.
Would you walk round and round and round?
No, I look at things. This one's just a straight thing, look. Okay, it is quite pretty, but...
Yeah, for miles.
By the way, Christmas is over. Reindeer head.
Reindeers die after Christmas.
Let's have a look what you're cooking then.
I'm making Russ's birthday banana bread. With chocolate chips. It's cool. It's the first time I've ever made chocolate banana bread.
What is it actually? Is it actually made of banana? What? Tell us what else?
It's just bananas, flour, vanilla, cinnamon, oil and almond milk.
Are they vegan chocolate chips?
Yeah. They cook.
Nice. Let's see how it turns out. Hi Josh! Forgot to film the food again. Is the banana bread wet? Is there any left? There is. Oh. Ooh. The other one's for Russ's birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, Russ! Watching a film, signing the vlog off. Good night. Say good night. See you later, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. subscribe if you haven't already, and ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.